This is Trent Garmon, an evangelist and attorney in Birmingham, Alabama, and requesting that each one of you Christians who understand the call for us to reflect Christ in this world in every area, those of you who know the holistic aspects of the gospel, to pray for us. We're in the middle of a pro-life battle. There were some prayer warriors who were lined up across the sidewalk with their knees on the grass and the front part of their legs touching the sidewalk outside an abortion clinic. And they were literally sued because of this, served with an injunction, which we've been able to have dissolved, but the lawsuit itself for the state tort claims is still pending. And so we'd ask for your prayers for that. It truly is a battle in this day and age that we live in, when an abortion clinic is allowed to ask for damages from prayer warriors for simply exercising their constitutional rights. And the claim is literally being entertained by a judge here in Jefferson County who we believe was forum shopped, was judge shopped, and was not aware. He was given an order up in the federal court here at the state court level and was not aware of the proper application of that because of the misleading of the other side. And so I'd ask for you to pray for Judge Ed Ramsey. He's a man of wisdom that's been on the bench for many years. And we believe once we can convey to him the context of this federal court order that apply to some fanatics. Clearly as believers, we have people who claim Christ and aren't really among the fold. There was examples with Eric Rudolph who go and blow up an abortion clinic, and I'm not the judge of his salvation, but clearly his act is not within the bounds of what Christ taught. Is he taught to love the Lord your God with all your heart and love your neighbor as yourself. But because of acts like that, a federal court has issued an injunction against 4 individuals. And this injunction, through the craftiness of a deceitful lawyer, was told to this lawyer at the state court to apply to all pro-lifers and would enjoin them from being on a public sidewalk and praying, which is not true. But we're battling that right now. So I'd ask you to pray for us, pray specifically for the Jefferson County Circuit, as we've got the ACLJ. Jay Sekulow, you may have heard of him. One of his senior council members, Jim Henderson, is part of the case. And we've also got the Life Litigation Defense Fund out of California that's involved with the case. Mike Evans is another guy that's a local counsel. So if you just pray for us, we'd really be appreciative, because we know that there's power in prayer. And ask you to do this as we approach this hearing we've got set for Tuesday, and just the continual battle that we're facing in cases like this day in and day out. Again, this is Trent Garmon. God bless you, love you, and Jesus rose from the dead and truly